There. Yeah, it goes in.
Wow.
Put it in, bud. Thank you. Here. And there.
Yeah, that's Mama's shirt. Can you put it in the washing machine, please? So we can clean it?
And one more, bud.
Good boy.
One more.
Mama.
Yeah, Mama's. Now we need to shut the door.
Close the door.
Good boy.
Okay. Close this. Alright. Right there. Right here. And right there.